It's day 26 of the Find Your Art Style experiment, and today I decided to revert back to my Neocolor 2, which I think are one of my favourite mediums. But I was also going to have a go at combining the face with one of my characters again. I started with a couple of thumbnails again and decided the closer one was more interesting. One of the things I didn't like yesterday was how far away the characters were, which made the page look a bit gappy, I thought. I found a reference image to use as a guide for the face and used my sketchbook for the character idea. I drew everything in pencil first and then decided to go over it in pen. I did debate this a bit, but I just wanted to do it so I could see it better. I used the Neocolors dry first and built up the colours. Once I had the Neocolors on fairly thickly, I added water to smooth things over a bit. I think this helped a lot on the character. Once the paint was dry, I went back in with a Neocolor, adding in some darker areas and some strong black lines. I wasn't sure how I was going to make the text stand out more, so in the end I dipped my brush in water and applied it to the pastel so I could paint some black on. I think I must be really fickle, as I'm now not sure if I like the faces combined with the characters. Maybe they can exist with and without the human faces, I'm not quite sure yet. I think I'd like to try some characters from my sketchbooks on their own, maybe done with Neocolor, but then I'd also like to try watercolour and gouache as well. Anyway, I'll save that for another day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get updates on what's happening with the Find Your Art Style experiment. We also create a video every Sunday called Art Kick Sunday, so make sure you check out that playlist too.